Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathnari. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a 3D bubble chart in Excel software. Okay, this is a 3D bubble chart. This is a data set for the creating the 3D bubble chart. Okay, now the data discussion for the first one for the ASEAN countries, the China, Japanese, South Korea, India, Iran, Pakistan, Indonesia, Bangladesh and Turkey. Okay, the next one variable for the this is XHS for the cultivation in the hectare, the total cultivation in the country, and the production of the fruit tons, and the cost of the fruit productions. Okay, now the data used to the how to create a 3D bubble chart in the Excel software. Okay, this data move to the next sheet. Okay, the data already entered, so the select the data only for the B, C, and D. This is for the x-axis and y-axis. This is for the size of bubbles. Okay, then go to the insert menu and select for the bubble chart. Okay, then create the bubble chart. Okay, select for the chart element options and unclick for the titles and the grand lines. Okay, now the edit to the x-axis value. So the select the x-axis value and right click and the select for the format axis. Okay, then minimum for the value in the x-axis 700 to the maximum for 3200. Okay, now the add to the bubble value, so the select the bubbles and right click and add to the label for the add data labels. Then select for the data and go to the label options and select for the label options and the select one first for the value from the cells. Okay, then this is the data label range, so use the select the label for the ASEAN countries. Okay, then click the OK and unclick for the Y value added to the click for the bubble size and the separator for the new lines. Okay, now add to the XSS and YXS title. So the select for the element options, title of the X and Y axis. XSS title for the cultivation hectare. Then next YXS value, production for the tons. Okay, select the whole the chart and change to the font type for the time Roman and font size for the 12 and font color for the black. Okay, now add it to the border. Select the graph, go to the format plot area and selection for the border options and select for the border color, black color and width 1.5. Okay, the outer borders, the no selected the border, no lines. Just move the China because the name for the out of the graph. Okay, then Turkey just. Okay, now the customized color for the bubble chart in the Excel software. Okay, the select for the single bubbles. The single bubble change to the separated color. So to the select for the single bubbles in the China, go to the home menu, select for the bucket color bucket options, select the color, any one color, and next one for the India selected in the bubble. Then next one for the Iran, and next one for the Indonesia and South Korea and the Japan. Next one the Pakistan, then one Bangladesh, the final one for Turkey. Okay, this is for the color different and for the bubble chart. Okay, now the interpretation for this script, the maximum of tomato production, sorry, maximum of fruit productions and the cost of the production for the China is first. Okay, the total of the production for the fruit, the 64,893 tons and cost of the dollar 3075 for done. Okay, this is for the data visualization, the 3D bubble chart for the Excel software. Okay, if you any doubt, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will help you. And if you practice to work out this template in template the template link upload for the our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link mentioned to the description box on this video. If you want this template, please go to our Telegram channel and download this template and you try to the practice of the data visualization in the Excel tutorial. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the subscription button and support me. Join to our channel membership. Thank you.